Hello everyone and welcome to the Kukli Bushcraft channel. Okay, so today's video, the Vosteed Raccoon. Okay, so I got this for free. Just saying, so as you know, just in case you think that my opinion's going to be biased, I'm not getting any money. I got a free knife to make a video, and also, yeah, there was some other negotiations involved, but yeah. So, I've been using this at work for about a week. I usually don't use folders hardly at all in the winter. In the summertime, I quite often have them for food prep, as if I'm out camping and hiking, or as a backup knife. But in the winter time, you're wearing gloves pretty much all of the time here. I'm working outdoors in the Arctic in some seriously cold conditions, and you know, something like this backhoe thing is much more practical. You know, it's just easier to get out and use. But I have been finding that I can actually use this with gloves on. And here I am making snowshoes for my next video with gloves on. Really, watch out, sharp things. To be honest, I've not been doing very much of this kind of thing with the knife. What I've been doing mostly is cutting lots of hollow braid polyethylene rope in a very, very poorly lit, not heated workshop with gloves on. So, Sandvik 14C28N steel, and I've been cutting quite ridiculous amount of rope with this, and I'm really impressed with how it's been holding its edge. So yeah, I was working with the son of the owners of the company that I work for, making dog lines, and I was teaching him how to splice and things, and he started trying to shave his arm with this knife. It came shaving sharp, it came like a razor. I said, that's not going to shave. Do you know how much rope that's got? Yeah, it is doing. So I tried it on my leg, and yeah, it's really been holding its edge. It opens and closes really smoothly, and yeah. So just with the button lock, or with the thumb studs, really nice and smooth. The detent is really good. One thing I've seen on somebody else's video is he found he could break the lock by tapping gently, or not very hard, something like that. As soon as I got it, I tried the same. My lock seems to hold no problem whatsoever, and I don't know, maybe it was just a couple of the first models to come out that had that problem. Maybe he just got unlucky, maybe I just got lucky, but there's absolutely no issues with mine. Yeah, and when it came, I mean, I generally don't care about the packaging, but it came in this nice little box. So a nice hard plastic box. Little case for it. Still with the plastic in there that the knife was in. It's a nice little case. You know, you could also put a few little survival items in there. There's a little patch with Velcro on the back, a sticker, cloth, Vosteed support. So 120-day full money back guarantee, return and replacement service. Yeah, so if you have any problems, go on camera, focus. And also there's a little sheet here with yeah, so blade material Sandvik 14C28 28N. Can't read. Blade length 3.25 inches. Blade style drop point. Blade grind flat. Blade finish stone wash. Handle material micarta. Lock type plunge lock. I thought that was a button lock. By the way, you might see some marks on that. That's just filth. So the micarta comes focus as it is on that side. That side's just a little bit dirty. And yeah, the pocket clip is reversible, tip up carry, and all the screws and fittings are nicely recessed. Hole for a lanyard there. The pocket clip is really thin, but it works. And as for the button, is it likely that you're going to be able to disengage that by accident when you're cutting? I think it's recessed enough that that is extremely unlikely. Got a nice bit of jimping on the spine there. So it's not aggressive, but yeah. Screws all recessed, I said that. And I think these are about $50 US, something like that. Nice blade profile. Nice bit of a belly there for slicing. Is it still shaving sharp? He's cut a hell of a lot of rope this week. Have I got any hair anywhere left on my body? It's a good sign that all of my knives are sharp. Yeah. Yeah. Still shaving sharp. So normally when you have a knife that sharp, it loses its initial edge fairly quickly, in my experience. Yeah, so regular bit of paper. See if I can just push without slicing. Using the entire length of the blade, it's really easy. But just pushing on one portion, still cuts. That's quite fun. Ha ha! Okay. So there we have it. I found out about this company from Facebook. They've got a Facebook group where they do various giveaways. It's you know, you can get information on all of their products. I think mostly just the folders. They do also make kitchen knives. Yeah, I'll put a link to the Facebook page. Please go and check that out. And also a link to their website where, as if you're lucky, you can get hold of one of these. They do seem to be sold out a lot of the time, a lot of their products, so you do have to be quite quick. Well, yeah, wait, didn't quite work that time. Yeah, Very, very smooth and easy to open. And no messing around looking for a liner lock in here. Just a little button. And if you look at the mechanism, I don't know how well you can see in there. I can't imagine that would be as secure as a liner lock. But on the other hand, it's very, very nice to open and close. Very, very easy one-handed operation, even with gloves on. Right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please drop us a comment, and I'll see you all again soon for another Kookily Bushcraft video. Bye for now.